Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp network problem. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing any kind of network problems, let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable the airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store and you have to simply search for WhatsApp and you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. There's no any pending updates like that. If you find trying to update your app, after updating you have to simply go back from here and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management and you have to make sure that you haven't any connected VPN here. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here, open the software update section and you have to update your software. Again go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go back from here, go for screen time and you have to disable all the settings from here. So it might be that your your network for your WhatsApp app has been disabled or has been restricted. So you have to disable all the restrictions. So go back from here again, go for apps, look for WhatsApp app here and you must have to make sure that your background app refresh has been enabled for your WhatsApp app. So after doing that, you just have to simply go back and you have to check your issue must have to be fixed or if it's still not fixed, so go back again, open your settings app again, go for general, go for iPhone storage, here look for WhatsApp and you just have to try to offload your apps. Just look for WhatsApp app here. Just try to offload your app and after offloading you have to reinstall the app and once your app has been reinstalled it will fix any kind of app issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.